Fluent English Practice.
Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Fluent English Practice. Today is Christmas Day, and we're going to learn how to talk about Christmas Day. What we do, what we eat, and how we celebrate. It's going to be fun. In this story, we follow Emma, Daniel, and their daughter, Sophia, as they spend a calm, lovely Christmas day together. We will learn useful phrases for waking up, making breakfast, opening presents, visiting family, and talking about feelings. Get ready to listen, shadow, and enjoy a peaceful Christmas morning. Good morning. It's Christmas Day. I love this morning. It feels so calm.
Good morning, Emma. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Daniel.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. The night was quiet. Listen, the wind is soft today.
Yes. It sounds peaceful.
I think Sophia is still sleeping.
Not for long. She loves Christmas morning.
Should we start breakfast?
Yes, I'll make hot chocolate. You make pancakes?
Perfect. Let's do it. It smells like Christmas in here. I love cooking on Christmas morning. It feels so special.
It really does. I'll add cinnamon today.
Oh, yes. Cinnamon smells like Christmas.
Mommy, Daddy, it's Christmas! It's Christmas!
Good morning, sweetheart. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Can we open presents?
After breakfast, okay? First, we eat.
Okay, but I'm so excited!
I know. I'm excited too.
Here, Sophia, hot chocolate.
Ooh, thank you. It tastes sweet.
It's a special Christmas recipe.
I love it.
Breakfast will be ready in 2 minutes.
That sounds perfect.
Okay, everyone, let's enjoy our Christmas breakfast. These pancakes look so good.
Emma's pancakes are always the best.
Oh, thank you. I like cooking for you.
Mommy, is Christmas about gifts?
Gifts are fun, but Christmas is also about family, love, and time together.
Yes, Christmas is about being kind and thankful.
Oh, I like that. Can we open gifts now?
Yes, sweetheart, now we can.
Wow, so many presents!
Not so many, but enough to make you smile.
Okay, Sophia, you can choose the first one.
This one. A teddy bear! A tiny teddy bear! Thank you!
You're welcome, my love.
Daniel picks a gift next.
Oh, a warm sweater. I love it.
I know your size, and I know you get cold quickly.
Thank you, Emma. I will wear it today. Emma chooses a small gift.
This one is from both of you?
Yes, open it.
A necklace? Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you. I love it.
This is the best Christmas.
Okay, everyone, let's visit Grandma and Grandpa.
Yay!
We made a special lunch today.
Will there be cookies?
Yes, many cookies. Look at the houses. So many lights.
They're beautiful.
I love Christmas lights.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
Come inside. Come inside. It's warm.
Grandpa, your house smells amazing.
It's Christmas soup. Do you want some?
Yes, please.
Emma, do you remember when you were small and you waited for Santa all night?
Yes, and I fell asleep every time.
I think Sophia is the same.
No, I will stay awake.
It's so quiet tonight. So calm.
I love walking in the evening.
Look, stars!
Yes, the sky is very clear. This is my favorite part of Christmas, the quiet moments.
Mine too.
I had a perfect day.
I'm glad.
Let's all relax now.
Hot tea?
Yes, please.
I love today.
I do too. Christmas Day is always special. Today was beautiful. Simple, but beautiful.
Yes, the best days are simple.
I want Christmas every day.
Every day can be warm and kind, just like today. Thank you, my friend, for spending this warm Christmas day with us. I hope you enjoyed the slow English, the clear conversations, and the peaceful atmosphere. If you want to improve your English, listen again and shadow the voices. Repeat the phrases, speak with the characters. It will help you learn naturally. And if you want more relaxing English stories, more everyday conversations, and more gentle learning, then join me in the next video. See you very soon, and Merry Christmas!